A tale on connecting with quantum consciousness. Once upon a time, in a quiet town nestled between rolling hills and meandering streams, there lived a curious soul named Emma. Emma was an ordinary person with an extraordinary passion for understanding the mysteries of the universe. One day, as she delved into the realms of quantum physics and spirituality, she stumbled upon a hidden path that promised a connection with the quantum field through consciousness. Intrigued and excited, Emma decided to embark on this mystical journey. She began by seeking guidance from a wise old sage named Master Wu, who was said to possess ancient knowledge about the universe's interconnectedness. Master Wu lived on the outskirts of the town in a small cottage surrounded by lush greenery. Emma approached Master Wu with humility and eagerness to learn. The wise sage welcomed her warmly, inviting her to sit in his humble abode. To connect with the quantum field, one must first understand the nature of consciousness, Master Wu began, his eyes reflecting the depth of his wisdom. He explained that consciousness is not confined to the boundaries of the physical body but is an expansive force that permeates the entire universe. Imagine consciousness as a river flowing through the fabric of reality, he said, gesturing with his hands to illustrate the cosmic dance of energy. Master Wu guided Emma in a simple meditation to quiet her mind and tune into the subtle energies around her. As Emma closed her eyes, she felt a gentle shift in her awareness. She sensed the interconnected threads of consciousness weaving through the air, connecting all living things. "Your mind is like a radio receiver," Master Wu whispered, "tune it to the frequency of the quantum field." Emma focused on attuning her thoughts to the frequencies beyond the ordinary, reaching out with her mind to touch the quantum tapestry that enveloped the cosmos. With each breath, Emma felt a deepening connection. She began to understand that the quantum field was not a distant and abstract concept but an intricate part of her existence. It was the canvas upon which the dance of particles and waves unfolded, and her consciousness was the brush that could paint on this cosmic canvas. Master Wu continued to mentor Emma, introducing her to the concept of quantum entanglement. He explained how particles, once entangled, remained connected regardless of the physical distance between them. Likewise, he said, your consciousness can entangle with the quantum field, creating a bridge between the macrocosm and your inner world. To deepen her connection, Master Wu guided Emma through various practices. They explored mindfulness, visualization, and energy work. Emma learned to observe her thoughts without attachment, to be present in the moment, and to channel her intention into the quantum field. As days turned into weeks, Emma noticed subtle shifts in her perception of reality. She began to sense the interconnectedness of events as if the universe was responding to the vibrations of her consciousness. Small synchronicities unfolded around her, affirming the harmony between her inner world and the quantum dance. One evening, as Emma sat in meditation, a profound experience unfolded. She felt herself dissolving into the vast expanse of the quantum field. Boundaries blurred, and she became one with the pulsating energy that flowed through the universe. In that transcendent moment, she understood the language of the quantum field, a language spoken not in words but in the silent symphony of vibrations. When Emma opened her eyes, she found herself back in Master Wu's cottage. The wise sage smiled, acknowledging the transformation that had taken place within her. "You have connected with the quantum field, dear Emma. Remember, this connection is not a destination but a continuous journey of exploration and expansion." Armed with newfound insights, Emma returned to her town with a heart full of gratitude. She shared her experiences with those willing to listen, inspiring them to embark on their journeys of consciousness and connection with the quantum field. And so, in the quiet town between rolling hills and meandering streams, the tale of Emma's journey became a beacon of light for those seeking to unravel the mysteries of the universe. The simple wisdom of tuning into the quantum field with consciousness echoed through the hearts of the townsfolk, reminding them that the key to understanding the cosmos lay within the sacred dance of their awareness. A great way to connect to the quantum field is the practice of meditation. For additional information on meditation, you can visit the link in the description. Thanks for watching.